समर्थी क्या कर रहे हो?
आज मुझे तंग मत करो, आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
आज क्या है वैसे?
Usual evening in the Ahluwalia household amidst the quarantine and doing a little walk the talk with mom, dad. Like I said, usual evenings. Okay, are you guys ready for the rapid fire?
Yeah.
Okay. When did Neha take her first step?
May 1991, Coimbatore.
Woo! 30 years from there and millions of steps after that. Who scolded her more as a kid? Is that true?
I did my father's duty.
Good. How much did she annoy / bully her siblings?
A lot. Simran especially.
Yes, that's why I asked this question. Yes. What is her biggest strength?
Biggest strength is herself. She herself is so strong internally that she can face anything in this world.
Mom?
Biggest strength is she herself.
What is her biggest weakness?
Her
Samarth.
sensitivity.
Samarth. Whoa.
Sensitivity.
What is the first word that comes to your mind for Neha as a daughter?
So scary.
As a granddaughter?
You ask Dada.
Okay. Okay, Dada, one word that comes to your mind for Neha as a granddaughter.
Excellent child, daughter, doctor, friend, tiger, everything.
As a wife?
I think Samarth would be able to tell her.
True.
Happy birthday, Neha.
to you, birthday to you, my dear Neha. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Neha ji. We miss you a lot. Hope to see you very soon. Party very soon. And we are so proud of what you're doing. ऐसे ही करते रहो बस. लियो भी आपको याद करता है. Hi Leo. Happy birthday.
Nehu, happy birthday. Can't believe you're 30 old. Like, that's really old. But I think all the skincare that you steal from me has been working on you. So happy 30th birthday, and I can't wait to come back and annoy you and dirty the kitchen again and do extra grocery and light candles and forget about them and get scolded that I might burn the house down. But I think I'll find more and creative ways to annoy you this time. Cannot wait to be back, do some more Soho walks with you, chill, go to Yura. Miss you guys, yaar. Happy birthday, and can't wait to celebrate soon. Neha, मेरे शेर बहुत आगे जाओगे तुम.
I wish you a very, very, very happy birthday and a very, very happy long life. God bless you, my child. Love you so much, but missing you.
हैप्पी 30th बर्थडे. आज तुम 30 साल की हो गई हो और इतना ज़्यादा तुम्हें प्यार क्या बताएं. नेहा, मैं तो बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ कि हम साथ में इकट्ठा मनाते. चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब जल्दी से मैं यूएस से आती हूँ और फिर मनाती हूँ.
Happiest birthday, Bhabhi. Like, I'm just so overwhelmed that we have someone like you in our family, like who really inspires me a lot to do so much more with my life. And you've always been there and given me the right guidance. Plus, it really sucks that we're never there at your birthday and we never get to celebrate your birthday together. But hopefully, we should see each other super soon. And lots of love and have a kick-ass birthday.
Happy 30th birthday, Neha. May God bless you with all the happiness, health, wealth and success.
Happy birthday, Neha. We are so proud of you and Samarth of all the good work that you are doing in New York City. Hope to party with you soon in Manhattan.
Hi Neha Didi, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Neha.
We miss you.
Thank you so much for what you and Samantha are doing.
Really want to see you guys soon. Come here soon.
Enjoy your day and make your birthday a lot of fun.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Neha.
birthday, Neha. Can't wait to see you and hang out with you outside of work again.
Hi Neha. Wish you a very happy birthday. Neha! Happy birthday. So happy that you're turning 16 finally. It's a big day. I know. Can't wait to celebrate whenever this is over. And also next year when we're gonna be in New York together. Miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Alu Singh. Sending you lots of kisses and
cheers to 17 years of friendship and many, many, many more to come.
Happy birthday, Dr. Saab. Waiting for our next dance together.
Hi Neha. While we are all safely tucked away in our homes, you are bravely going out and saving lives. Just take a moment and take it in. We're basking in your glory and your stories and not the Insta ones. Literally. So thank you. You really inspire me and us. Take the credit, which you don't. You never do. I wish you the best for this year and every year that comes, and nothing but the very best for you. Shine brighter, lots and lots of love, and a big, big hug. Can't wait to pop the bubbly and hug to celebrate with you in person. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Hi Neha, hi Samad. Simran told me of the speech she was compiling for Neha's birthday, and it got me thinking of what must I say. And I went back to the first day that we met, and what I found particularly interesting was how these two young girls, barely out of school, meet each other in a class of 150 people and know it without a hint of doubt that this is my person and this is who I want to share my room, clothes, shoes and hairbrushes with for the next 5 years of college. And I know it for a fact that in 1,000 alternate realities and alternate timelines, we would have chosen each other over the others. And like any other relationship, our friendship has seen its days of highs and lows, only to mature into this beautiful bond that we share today. What I absolutely love about Neha is her tenacity and the fact that she can be fun and she can be formidable. I love that she never loses sight of the bigger picture and she never loses focus, and I'm so proud of the life that she's building. I wish you all the best, Neha. Continue inspiring us and continue being the phenomenon that you've always been. Love you loads. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Neha.
Hey Neha.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday from both of us.
Happy birthday.
Hope you have a great day and a lovely year ahead. We miss you. We love you so much.
Happy 30th birthday, Neha Didi. I wish we were together for you to enjoy this awesome cocktail for your 30th birthday, but alas, we'll have to wait a few more months for that to happen. Cheers.
आज बस मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Bro, आज सिर्फ birthday है.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody.
अच्छा, मेरे बर्थडे के लिए क्या कर रहे हो?
सिमरन चाय बनाओ अपने लिए प्लीज.
समर, आप जाके चाय बनाओ.
मैं आज
और सिमरन मेरे लिए पास्ता बनाओ.
मैं ब्रुकलिन जा रहा हूँ.
Love you. Bye.
We love you. We love you.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Cheers. Love you. Bye.